Creating a car club website in RumbleSeat is really easy, and it can be done in really 2 steps. So to begin, once you log into your RumbleSeat account, you will click on the Car Clubs menu, and at the very top right, you'll see the ability to click Create Car Club. And once you do that, here is the first of 2 steps. Step number 1 is you enter in a name to represent your car club. In the next step, you'll enter in a description, and this is a good place to talk about maybe the mission of your car club, some of the history and background, what makes your car club distinct and unique. So you definitely want to be detailed here, but keep it concise. Next, and optional, you can add keywords, and we consider these keywords when users are searching to join a car club that might match your club. So consider the terms and the keywords that users might use to find a club like yours. Now, in the final step here, you have the ability to upload a car club logo. So if you already have a car club identity, you can drag and drop it, or you can click to browse somewhere on your computer to access your logo. It's not required, and if you don't upload a logo, we will just display your car club name on your website. So again, name, description, keywords, and your branding and identity. And I'll just put a placeholder here for now so we can go to the next step. So in the next step, the first option here is to choose a primary website color. So we have a range of colors for you to select from, and if you hover your mouse over a little thumbnail, it will tell you the name of the color. You also can click the little plus icon here to create your own color. So you can use the little color selector here, and by holding down your left mouse button, you can target select a color. You can use the slider to choose a color range and then make a selection. You can edit this at any time, so you don't need to have it perfect immediately. Now, as we move down, you will indicate the type of club location, whether you're a local club, and you can search for a city, state. You can also do national club, regional club, or an international club. Next, you have the ability to make decisions about enrollment. Can members, anybody can join your club and it's set to public? Is it by request, meaning a potential club member would request access to join your club and submit their interest? Or do you want to make it invite only, so really a private club, and you would proactively invite folks to join your club? And again, you can change any of these settings at any time, so nothing is permanent here. In the next setting, you'll make a decision about the main, category and subcategory that best represents your club. So here from the drop down, just scroll through these to find the most appropriate. So if you happen to be, say, maybe a motorcycle club or cars and trucks, you can make whatever decision's most appropriate and then choose a subcategory. So let's say that you're an American muscle car club. You can make that designation. Again, we use this in consideration when helping other RumbleSeat users find car clubs to join. Now, as we scroll down, you can also collect member information when users are signing up to join your car club. So this is a great way to collect custom information. So maybe you want to know about their vehicle collection or whatever information you want to collect. You can create a series of custom questions. So if you click Create Custom Question, here you have the ability to select a text prompt, multiple choice, single choice dropdown. You can even request an address. You can make these fields required, meaning the user, upon signing up, is going to have to enter in the information. You can make them optional. Now, one of my favorite little features here is you can also make a field internal use only. And this is useful for creating custom fields to record custom information. But when you make it for internal use only, your members won't see this field when they're signing up. But you, when you're editing that member's profile, you can input custom information. So a great way to, again, record and collect extra data. And if you make it internal use only, that means only administrators and folks that you give access to can then edit member records and update and add information as you see fit. Now, again, you don't have to set this up now. You can do it later. Now, next is you have the opportunity to build membership types. So if you're offering paid memberships, maybe you're offering certain ranges of memberships like free and paid, this is your ability to then build those out. And of course, RumbleSeat will help to collect and process digital payments through our integrated partner at Stripe. So again, secure payment processing. The money goes directly to you. We're just, with our partners at Stripe, facilitating that secure process. So here you can name the type of membership. So maybe this is a lifetime membership or annual. So you can also describe the membership type. And then you can choose the settings, whether it be no fee. So maybe it's a free membership. Maybe you're going to call this free membership. You'll describe that this is a free basic membership, maybe describe what it includes, what it excludes, and you can make decisions. You can also do calendar year, which of course runs from January 1st to December 31st. Now there is an option that's pre-selected that will allow members, if they're signing up, say mid-cycle, to receive a prorated sign up. So you have the ability to, again, choose whether you want those to be prorated or not. You can also offer one-year membership, and that just sort of runs from the date the user signs up to the date of expiration. So you can have a whole range of members that are constantly automatically renewing. And then the last option is a lifetime membership, which is billed once. So you can assign a price, say $99, that's billed one time. Also point out that you have the ability to enable sales tax. So if you're not registered as a nonprofit, and of course, if your tax professional is giving you tax guidance here, which you should definitely check with, you can enable tax collection for different membership types. Now you also have the ability to enable the ability for the member when they're signing up to add an associate member. So whether it be a family member, a spouse, you can choose to include an associate member with the main registration. And you can build multiple types. So in this case, I'll just do public, just as an example here. So we'll do, and I'll just make this free. An associate member can be included. And I will point out that we actually generate a preview of what members will see on the right-hand side. So notice as you are configuring these membership types, you're always going to see a preview on the right just to be sure that you configured it properly. Now, when I click Create Membership Type, you see that now exists here where I can edit or delete. Now you can add additional ones. So maybe you have a tiered range of different membership types. You can build out the various types. You can also drag to arrange, so you can order the way that they present to a member when they're signing up. Now again, you don't have to create these now. You can always create these later from the control panel from your Car Club website. Now granted, you filled out everything that's required, you'll be able to click the Finish button at the bottom right. And you can always go back to the first step by clicking the back function here. So again, granted you entered in everything, you made a decision, then you can go ahead and click Finish, and you'll get a confirmation page with some helpful and additional training resources, including a quick start guide. But from here, you're going to want to continue to watch some of the training videos in this series. And in the next step, we'll talk about actually configuring the features and give you access to an understanding of all the different tools that are available on your Car Club website.